Tronson, 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 Tron. Ladies and gentlemen, Tron. Hello. Woo! Are you guys in Tron or not? Are you in Tron or not? Guys, Tron up 127%. This baby went parabolic. Do you remember, guys, how this sucker was lingering at 4 cents for the longest time? Binance had the competition on. I think, what did they have? They had a couple of nice cars, and they had a bunch of Tron. So what did this cause? This caused the bots and the big whales, the big fish, to get in there with their bitcoins and just trade their own coins back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And what we, plebs, should have realized is that during this flat time, and I think many of you did, was that this was the ideal time to buy. Because look what happened. The competition ended. The bots still went at it for a while. They chewed this thing down. I think it went down like, 2.9 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, hovered there, went to 6 cents, back to 4 cents. And I made a video on January 1st. It got a bit of movement. And I said, watch this, guys. It's going to take off. And it's made me very happy. And I only have one regret. Why didn't I max my bank account and put all my money in Tron? Well, because that's a stupid thing to do. But I do wish I would have taken a larger position. Now, if you're not in, you have to use your judgment now. It's probably not too late, but you have to do your own financial research. You have to do your own investing. I am not a financial advisor, but I am excited for Tron this year. I mean, if they cut the amount of coins, this price will surge. If it keeps going, it's going to pass Litecoin. I mean, why not? Why can't Tron hit $1 this year? Why can't Tron hit $2? It's going. People are loving this coin. It's got an actual application behind it. It's being used already. It's got a decent team behind it. You should follow Justin Suntron on Twitter, and he'll pump out some news to try to boost the price. And I think he was doing a lot of that because he saw that bot action going on, so he was trying to break it. But it's been a good coin the last few days. Now, what else are you guys looking at right now that might do a similar move? Guys, Red Coin may have the potential to do that. B3 Coin might have the potential to do that. I'm still liking Denta Coin. You can get that on YoBit. I'm trying to log into Coin Markets, but it's down, so we'll have to look in there. That's where you can get B3 Coin. But right now, guys, like Binance is by far the best exchange. Okay? I'm trying to remember what kind of card they were giving away for that Tron. My buddy Trey has one. It's got the little crown symbol anyways. That'll come to me later. I'm sure most of you know. But yeah, anyways, Binance, guys. If you're not on Binance, just click my link in the description below and sign up for Binance. You got Tron on here, you got Cardano on here, you got VenChain, you got IOTA. I mean, you got it all on here. What else did I got? You got PO on here, you got Lend on here. Those two coins have been huge for me. You got AI on. Holy cow. Salt's on here, Lisk, Monaco Coin. Guys, Binance is where it's at right now. Okay? Low transaction fees, low trade fees. And then you get your little bits on KuCoin and Coin Markets, and you got to have your your Bittrex or Poloniex account as well. But guys, Binance is going to hook you up. Like, that's where I found Tron. That's where I got Verge. That's where I got PO. That's where I got Lend. All right? And I'm sure you all got stories about that. And you can hear I'm losing my voice, guys. I have been battling a cold for a month. I think it may have turned into a bit of a pneumonia, so pray for me if you pray. Have faith for me. And let's just think about this. Tronson, 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 Tronson.